Have you been called yet?
Hopelessly in love.
Ako rin.
Ako rin, I'm the shades. Bakit?
Ano?
Wait, when you're done with my chanelas, please put it...
Yeah. Yeah, gusto ko nga magsinelas lang eh.
Hopelessly in love.
You can call me a perfect.
Ako shit.
Wait lang!
Should put my arm here.
Wala ko nga. You can
Pa,
call
pa,
me
pa,
a
pa,
perfect.
mo.
Yes?
I mean, sorry, Annalie.
Yes? Huwag mo ako tawagin doon. I don't like calling my name Ailey.
Okay, sobrang
I
maganda.
I don't like!
Hindi, galit.
Hindi.
Huh?
Hindi. Mukha bang galit?
Pero, ganda.
Okay, sa'yo na.
Your mom picked a good name.
It's not my mom who picked my name.
And your dad picked a good name.
It's not my dad.
Then
Not
you
my...
picked a good name.
Yeah, I picked it up.
It's a nice name. Sa tingin ko, it suits you. Yan ang bakit.
It suits?
Pero Pamo also suits you too, because you're crazy.
Okay. Crazy pala ha.
Joke
Maybe
lang.
I'm crazy. True.
Joke lang.
Everything is crazy.
You're very upbeat. You're very, you know, very upbeat.
And then,
So Pamo also suits. Pero Annalie is also a very nice name too.
very nice.
No, pero hindi bagay sa lahat ng tao, bagay sa'yo.
Ako lang ata may ganung pangalan eh. Maraming Annalyn. Pero ako, kasi may pronunciation talaga dun. Hindi ko naman alam kung anong pronunciation talaga nun eh.
Wait, talaga? Iba?
Oo. Pero
It's not-
sabi ng mama ko, Annalyn.
Annalie? Oo. That name's...
Parang
what's her
tanga,
name?
parang Anilay nga eh. Anilay pangalan ko.
Annalie. That's a name.
Yeah, it's a name.
Or people can call you Annie or Anne.
I don't like Anne.
None of your
I don't
friends,
like
lahat
Annie.
ng kaibigan mo, pa mo.
Yeah,
There's not even one person that
because I
calls you.
don't want.
Pero there's not even one person that calls you Anne.
Anne, no.
Or Annie?
Wala. May tita Anneli.
Ah, your tita.
May tita, may, yeah, may tito. Yeah. Sila lang, but outside, Pamu. Calling me Pamu. Pamu. Saka kilala talaga ako, Pamu talaga. Ah, si Pamu. Pag sinabi ng Pamu, oo, si Pamu. Wala namin.
What if they say Annalie? Sino yan?
No, hindi nila kilala.
Talaga?
Wow.
Wow.
Hindi nila kilala. Sino si Annalyn?
Wait, so on your papers, your class papers, Annalie Pamorada, your full name.
Oo.
Sabagay.
But, they call me Pamu. Kahit sino, kahit teacher ko, Pamu.
Puma.
Nabasa ko yung sinelas na mamaya.
Pamo, I'm tired.
You are tired. Don't sleep.
Pero hindi ganyan. Not tired in that way.
What? Tired about what?
Tired.
Tired saan nga? Saan sabihin mo?
Pamo, talino ka. Alam ko. Gets mo. Just tired.
No! Hindi ko gets. I
Emotionally.
know.
Emotionally and mentally.
You're tired. Oh, sorry.
But, fight lang ng fight. Go lang ng go. Keep going.
Oh, yun.
But I'm so tired.
Sa chismis?
Huh? Hindi?
Hindi nga, alin nga. Tired. What?
This whole thing is a learning experience, a test. I'm so tired.
Uri naman eh.
I'm pretty sure all of us are tired, but I just realized I'm kind of tired. Pero ours is about like this,
Like this, amin. No?
like this and like this big.
Sa inyo?
Oh, ang ganda. It's blue. Dark blue, royal blue. Ang ganda.
Hindi, bawat kasi bawat year, iba-iba yan eh.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, sa amin, iba-iba.
Really?
Yeah.
Sa school namin,
Isa lang.
isa lang, pero for the first year, kasi bagong school yan. Our first graduating class, it says the first graduating class of California City High School. Ang ganda. Pamo, let's climb that tree.
Oo, ano yan, unggoy?
Uy.
Tara, every go.
Pamo, let's walk from here to here.
Let's climb to the mountain. Going to the mountain. Tara. Not mountain.
Pamo, it's 11 o'clock at night. Let's go walking. Okay.
Alam mo naman,
Kaya mo?
Oo naman, yun nga. Minsan, pag yun yung ginagawa.
Learning experience, the test. I'm so tired.
Sorry naman eh.
I'm pretty sure all of us are tired, but I just realized I'm kind of tired. Oh yeah, that's right. Other day. When I get up.
Ano yan? Ano sira ulo si Kevin? Bakit nga? You're tired. I'm tired. Ano
tired.
yan?
Emotionally and mentally, I'm so tired.
Ako rin naman eh. Pagod na nga ako eh.
About what?
Lalo siguro pag lumabas na ako. Ah! Ayoko lang lumabas!
Bakit?
Ah! Minsan gusto kong lumabas, minsan ayoko na. Ah!
Are you scared of what people will think about you?
No, it's hindi, siguro, but when Igoy telling me everything, oh my God, dyan na ako
What did he tell you? I know, wasn't he saying something about your boyfriend? What was he saying?
No. Yeah.
What was he saying?
You and basta huwag na natin pag-usapan. No, like,
Where are you going, Pamo?
I'm here.
You're so far.
Oh, di tingnan, come here. Dapat mo
Here.
dito.
You sit right here.
Ayoko dyan, doon ka. O, sige, dyan ako. Yeah. Oops. Kita mo? Lagi siya nandyan. Usap na tayo, dali.
Okay. Choice, and you pay. Now you're paying, you know? To go.
Hindi ko nga alam kung basta ibang ko. Bahala na talaga paglabas ko. Malabas na lang. Bakit?
Kinis? That's what I noticed for kinis.
No. Dami na nga sugat niyan eh. Oh, ito dito sa barong.
Wait, pero if you just like that? Kinis?
Yan, barong. Dami. Bakit? Nakakagutom yung amoy.
Maybe that's why.
So what? What? Ano yan?
Aray.
Mami nga.
Ano yan?
Amoy ko. Baba mo nga.
It smells fruity, tama? Ano? Ang buhok mo.
No, ito nga naamoy ko. Kala ko buhok mo eh.
Ang... Everything seems stress-free when I'm talking to you. Yan ang pansin ko. Sarap.
Stress reliever. Ano yan? Namimiss mo na yung green shoes ko.
Ano?
Yung green shoes ko.
Nagbigay mo ang lahat ng sapatos mo?
Saan?
Sa taas na lahat.
No.
Ha?
Hindi, may favorite shoes kasi ako lagi kong sinusuot. Kahit saan. Mall, kahit saan, green. Favorite ko kasi green eh. Nasaan na kaya yun? Siguro, ko.
What's your favorite color?
Marami. White. Basta marami.
Pero kung pipili ka ang isang kulay, ano?
Si green na. Basta, hindi ko alam. Marami akong gustong kulay. Green, red, yellow. Basta yun. Black, white. Yan, limang yan.
It's not like how everything's big.
What?
Lahat na ganap dito, sobrang big deal.
Talaga naman.
I think it's kind of funny, actually.
Oo.
When there's actually stuff that's happening sa labas that's so much of a bigger deal.
Oo naman. Minsan nga, ayoko na yung nangyayari. Kaya,
Like with the whole,
tanda mo nung nagsasalita sila sa loob.
kailan?
Basta yung feeling ko lahat na ano nila, lahat binibigyan nila lang. O ikaw, ganyan, o ganyan, ganyan. Iinis ako nun sobra. Di ba tinawag kita nun? Sabi ko magugas ng pinggan, magugas ng pinggan. So I was singing.
Like yeah, the whole your boyfriend thing.
I was
They make
singing.
that shit. They make it such a big like.
Singing. Singing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Tapos pumasok na ako. Ba, hindi na maganda. I go inside.
Just